Hello everyone, I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video where you are going to learn something new and some amazing art and craft. Let's see what are we going to learn now. You have to take the plastic sheet and on it you have to paste the cutouts like this, and yes, you can imagine what are we gonna make. Take the plastic cup, now on the top of it you have to just use the rubber band and secure it. Now take the pipe and it is glowing. Isn't it amazing? Keep on proceeding in this manner and let's see what are we gonna do now. You have to take the stripes of this paper and you'll be getting an amazing beautiful result. You have to make the patterns like this on the cup and in the end you'll be getting a beautiful lovely result. Isn't it looking super amazing? Keep on proceeding in this manner and let's see what in the end are we going to get. Yes, you have to just take the rubber band, tie it further and let's see what are we gonna do. You have to just fold it further and secure it like this and the balloon part in this manner, and it is absolutely amazing. Paste the eyes and the mouth and it is ready to go. Let's see what are we going to do now. Keep on proceeding in this manner and let's see what are we gonna do next. Yes, you have to take the glasses and then on it you have to fold it like this and it is gonna spread it in this way. Now again you have to take the paper and on the sheet of paper with the help of black marker, what you have to do, you have to draw this character. Let's see what are we going to do next. Keep on making this character and in the end we'll be getting a beautiful lovely result. And yes, this doll is absolutely ready. Isn't it she looking super amazing? Keep on proceeding. Now let's see, you have to take the eggshell and then take the yogurt, the yellow part out, the yolk out, and inside it you have to fill the water and then some of these accessories you have to put, then refrigerate it, and when you open it you'll be getting this result. Isn't it these jellies like looking super amazing? Keep on proceeding and let's see what are we going to get now. In the end, you just have to take the plastic sheet of paper, just fold it and let's see what are you going to get. Keep on proceeding and it is like a jellyfish, isn't it? Now let's see what are we gonna do next. Take the water bottle and it is looking so floating. Superb job. Keep on proceeding and let's see what is there in store for all of us. We're going to learn now. Keep on proceeding and let's see what are you going to get. Yes, you just have to fold it further and just take the straw pipe and it is absolutely ready to go. Are you excited to see? Yes, it is absolutely blowing. You can actually play with it. Let's see what are we going to do next. Again, you have to take the eggshell and get the yogurt, the yellow part yolk out, and you'll be getting a result like this. Let's see what are you going to get. Just fill inside it some of the feather, then the water, and you can actually spread it and play it like this, moving it in this manner. Let's see what are we going to get next as a result. Keep on proceeding and you'll be getting a beautiful lovely result in this way. Now again you have to take the cup and let's see what are we gonna do next. With the help of marker, make the dots like this. And do you know what are we gonna do? You have to just cut the stripes further and fold it in this manner and get the shape like this. Isn't it amazing? Now with the help of the marker, you have to make the blades in this way, that too a colorful one. You have to make the patterns like this and then make it a little tweakings. With the help of little tweakings you can get a result like this. And again what you have to do, you have to secure a hole like this and it is absolutely ready to go. Keep on proceeding in this manner, get the straw and it is absolutely rolling. Isn't it amazing? Now see what you have to do. Take the plastic bottle and then you have to get the circle. Now what we have to do, you have to make a character like this, a cute bunny rabbit, and you have to get the cuttings like this. Fold it further from the top, the extra layer, and then you have to paste it on this sheet. Isn't it amazing? Now what you have to do, you have to take the balloon, cut it from the side and get it over it in along the cylindrical cardboard, and then you have to just fold it further and get the cutting. Just paste further and you'll be getting a beautiful lovely toy to play with and you can put inside. Isn't it amazing? The popper.